A lot of people are starting online businesses because of congested roadways, the high price of fuel, unsatisfactory job environments, and other issues. Many of these people are discovering that there are numerous issues to address. Those who have paved the way may not be following, making errors simpler. Dust off those dreams, they're closer than you think. I've got a free training web class for you, the Digital Marketing Revolution web class. Here's just some of what you'll discover, a shortcut to the exact model the experts are using to generate millions of dollars while dominating their industries. What the experts know that made them successful. What you can replicate. The 5 fundamental laws of a profitable online business and the secret to understanding them. Where to find your hot target market. How to get attention to your product/service. How you create a world-class product that is unique and that moves people away from pain and towards pleasure. How to be the best in your industry. A deep dive into each of the 5 types of marketer. The best and fastest way to build a list. How to get traffic to your offer. The 3 ways to get traffic. One of the most important methods to convert traffic. How to convert visitors to leads and leads into customers and customers into raving fans. The 18 software apps you need to run your business, how to get them to work well together and how to get them for free. The best kind of traffic because it's risk-free and it's the highest converting. How to build an army of people who sell for you without getting paid in advance. How to instantly become a leading expert in your industry while being referred to as the next big thing by every respected influencer in your market. This free web class will only be available for a limited time. So, please, watch it now while you can. To watch this free web class, click the link in the description.